Niwashe.
Little tomcat, stay close to me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to cook. So today we are going to learn how to cook button mushrooms, and these are the ingredients. You are going to need 2 tomatoes, 1 or 2 bulb onions, 1 bell pepper, ginger and garlic. Dice them or grate them according to your liking, and of course have your mushroom washed and cut ready for cooking. If you're new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing as we get to learn and explore more. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. You are blessed and you are loved. Purity starts by frying the mushrooms for approximately 5 minutes in hot oil and maximum heat capacity. Yeah, to make sure that there is no water left in them.
I like that sound. So you can tell it is the mafuta is hot enough. That's what it's on. So this is the mushrooms after being dehydrated for about 5 minutes. Using the same pan, add a little oil, and then press out your onions for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, you add your diced garlic, and ginger.
Miume. Okay. Haitakuwa kali.
Ingekuwa na carrots kutoe na hiyo
Ready.
ingekuwa na carrots kutoe na hiyo
Ready. Ooh. My head. Intashiba. Wow. This food looks so good.
No comment.
mimi sitaki.
There wasn't much to talk about today because I wanted you guys to follow the whole procedure and understand it for yourselves. And you have seen how amazing the mushrooms look. You can take them with rice, chapati. You can also take them with ugali. They taste so good. They taste just like fried liver. So I hope that you enjoyed and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.
Set hapo kwa kamera, don't capture.